All right guys, we're back with another technical question. I'll be going through the question, the answer, and I'm hoping, just like me, you stay a little bit crazy to get that answer all the way through. Guys, let's get started. And that's it guys. I hope the video has helped find you to that resolution and you're able to get through your problem. If it did guys, please hit subscribe, I really appreciate it. It does help me out. And until next time, have a good one.